Henkel had a very good start to fiscal 2024. Based on our strong development, we have significantly raised our sales and earnings outlook for the full year last week. The performance of Henkel in the first months of the year demonstrates we have the right strategy for future profitable growth. We implement it consequently, step by step, and we deliver what we promise. In the first quarter, Henkel achieved sales of around 5.3 billion euros. This is a strong organic growth of around 3%. Both business units contributed to this: Henkel Adhesive Technologies and Henkel Consumer Brands. Sales in our Adhesive Technologies business reached around 2.7 billion euros in the first quarter. This is a positive organic growth of 1.3%. The main growth driver was our mobility and electronics business. We also grew in our consumer business. Henkel Consumer Brands achieved sales of around 2.6 billion euros in quarter one. This is a very strong organic sales growth of 5.2%, driven by all business areas: laundry and home care, as well as hair, which includes our professional business. We have further accelerated the implementation of our purposeful growth agenda, and we made significant progress. We continue to optimize our portfolio and have successfully closed 2 recent acquisitions, even faster than expected: Seal for Life Industries in Adhesive Technologies and Vidal Sassoon in China in Consumer Brands. Both acquisitions will further strengthen our portfolio. The strong start to the year is above all thanks to our global team. Therefore, thank you to all my colleagues for your excellent commitment during these challenging times.